Over the past year, I've seen a lot of videos of people that I aspire to be like, traveling to these exotic places. 99.9% of the time I'm thinking, nah, I won't be able to create such awesome content unless I'm out where they are. Boy, was I wrong. These places are no further away than an hour from my place in Southern California. Until I actually stepped outside and saw what's already around me, I didn't think I'd be creating sequences like this. Don't get me wrong, I still would love to travel the world and see even more phenomenal landscapes. But in the meantime, this ain't half bad. I suppose the point of this video is to encourage anyone watching to do what I did. Take your camera, step outside, and go in your backyard. Of course, I don't mean literally in your backyard. Go for a trip around your town. Open up Google Maps if you have to. You'd be surprised at the beauty that's no more than 20 minutes away. If you guys like this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. A like and a comment wouldn't hurt either. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.